Hello friends, I am Dr. Ranjana Singh from Government Model Degree College Arnia, Bulandshahr. Today I am going to start topic lichen. In this topic I will discuss about the structure and composition of lichen. So lichens are a small group of plants. They are made up of algal and fungal components living together in an intimate symbiotic relationships. The algal component is known as phycobiont and fungal component is known as mycobiont. The plant body of lichens neither resembles algae nor fungi. Thus, lichen is an association of fungus and an algal photosynthetic symbiont, resulting in an stable structure, thallus, of specific structure. Some important characteristics of lichens will discuss later on. They are usually grown the bark of trees, dry logs of wood, bare rocks, and other similar habitats. Some species of lichen like Cladonia rangifera even grow in Arctic and Antarctic region and other on the seashore. In India, usually lichens are abundantly found in the eastern Himalaya regions. Some common species of the lichens are Cladonia aggregate, Grophis duplicata, Grophis scripta, Usnea aspera, and Usnea dichotoma. These are the structure of lichens. Morphologically, lichens are categorized into three: crustose, foliose, and fructose. About the characteristics of lichens, the lichens have a composite thalloid structure formed by the association of algae and fungi. The algal component of lichens form carbohydrate by photosynthesis, which later utilized by algal and fungal components, while the fungal component is responsible for the absorption and retention of water. On the basis of structure of thallus, lichens have been classified into three broad types: crustose, foliose, and fructicose. Lichens reproduce asexually by the formation of various types of spores known as oidea and pycnia. Only fungal component of lichens is involved in sexual reproduction. The female sex organs known as carpogonium is differentiated into a basal called escogonium and elongated multicellular structure trichogyne. The male sex organs are flask shaped called spermatia found on the upper surface of the thallus, and these spergonia produce spermatia or tiny spores or the gametes. The fruiting body of lichens are disc shaped apothecia or flask shaped perithecia. These are the structure formed by the sexual reproduction of the fungal partner of the lichen. The ascus produces ascospores within it, and they all are arranged in these specialized structure called apothecia or perithecia. When these ascospores germinate and they come into contact with a suitable alga, they form a new lichen thallus. The growth of the thallus is extremely slow. They can survive high temperature and they condition for a long time. Hence, they can grow easily on dry substratum. Lichens also produce a specific acid called lichen acid. And this is all about the lichen and their characteristic feature. In the next video, we will discuss in detail about the morphological characters and the internal structure of the lichen. Thank you for watching. video.